What's going on, guys? Brad here with Real Estate Investing Made Easy. This is going to be video 5 of our on-market offer system. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the last steps of the process, which is going to be the email updates and your mail merge with Meteor. Get right into it. Once you've gone through, obviously you've seen the other videos, Chris showing you the on-market offer system, the deal analyzer, soft comp analyzer, the KPI tracker, and our templates. So the templates you would use are going to depend on the offer that you want to send out. I'm using a couple of them here to send out some of the initial templates and follow-ups. So essentially what you're going to do is create a spreadsheet in Google Sheets that is going to house the realtor information, property address, and the purchase price, so that when you upload that into Meteor, it reads that in the template. So what you're going to do to start is you're going to create your templates. I've got a couple here that I use. I got only a couple. There's about 10, and each one has a follow-up in the on-market offer system. That's linked below, by the way, if you guys wanted to check that out. And so basically what you're going to do is, let's do this one. This is going to be our initial text template. Has all the terms of the offer right there in the email body. And so what you're going to want to manipulate for your own use are the variables. Those are indicated here by these little squiggly brackets. So each one of these is going to correspond to the Meteor spreadsheet you have here. These headings. So each one of these headings needs to be an exact match. The capitalization, everything needs to match, right? So that it's that Meteor, when you plug that list in, it's going to match it with the exact header. So once you've created your templates, I've got a couple here. I've got 2 for my initial cash offers. And then I like to follow up about a week later after these have gone out and send this over to them. It's going to be just an opening for the seller financing kind of creative offers. Okay, so once you've created your templates, okay, you just upload those. You can copy paste the ones that you buy from us if you'd like, or you can create your own. You're going to create a campaign. And so you're going to be doing, it's super simple with Meteor, guys. You're going to go to add new. Okay, when you select your recipients, let me copy this right here. When you select the recipients, you can do it a couple of ways. You can copy paste all the email addresses by themselves, just manually. You can import a CSV, you got a contact list. I use Google Sheets. I think it's the easiest way to store it and track it. And so once you put in any one of these URLs for any one of the sheets, it's going to pull up the whole list of sheets that we have available. You just select the one that you want. You're going to go to next, save. Okay, next step is going to be to select the template that you want to send out. You're going to do that by going here and this little 3 dots, going to insert template, and then, just pick the one you want. This is the first one I send out, and I'm going to create the first email in the sequence. And then I always add a follow-up email. This follow-up email is going to go out if no reply after, I always do 2 days, send this email. So if no reply after 2 days, send this email. And you got a couple options here. If no click, if they didn't open it, if it was opened, if it was clicked, if they replied, or no matter what. And so provide a lot of flexibility for the type of follow-up that you want to do. Same thing here. You're going to select these 3 dots and insert a template. This is the follow-up. So once I've populated my templates into the emails I'm creating in this campaign, I'm going to go to show preview. You always want to do this. I actually did one when I was first starting where I hadn't checked it. I just sent them out, and none of the fields were filled. And so it was just like, dear blank, I'm ready to offer on property blank. It was bad. I had to resend all of those out. It doesn't look good. It's not a good look. So make sure you check those. Once you check this and you see, okay, here's the variable that's filled. Here's the variable that's filled, right? Agent name, property address. I've got my property price here. Okay, those are getting filled. And then I'm going to go down to my follow-up and make sure I've got these fields filled as well. So if one's good, they all should be good. They're all following the same format. Now, here's kind of a quick tip too. If you are like, look, my variables, everything matches, I don't know what's going on, you can go to Meteor. They have a FAQ page where it kind of gives you some different options to check. One of the most common ways that I've seen where I'm like, I don't know what's going on, like everything seems to be in line, everything matches, I don't know what's going on, If I go here and I just select all of the text space, and then I go to format and I go clear formatting, that usually does the trick. So there may be some formatting in there that Meteor is not able to read or is just misreading. So that's kind of a quick tip just to get you past that if you do encounter that hurdle. But once you've done this, all you need to do is send them. So just click send. It'll ask you, are you sure? You click send and boom, you got a campaign out. You know, you do this a couple times, you can get you can get a ton of offers out. We're probably putting out 80 to 100 a week through this. And it's a really good way to get a lot of emails out, a lot of offers out quickly. Okay. You've already seen my offer system and how I'm using Privy to compile these properties. If you haven't, go back and watch those videos from start to finish to show you how to build the search, how to build the list, how to get email updates, and how to track those through the system using our on-market offer system. And again, that's available down below on the link. So go check that out. Last note, I would say in this whole system is going to be the email updates. These are really helpful. Look, I've got one I haven't even looked at yet. And if you, again, how to set this up is in one of the videos that I've already created. It's like video 2 or 3 of the on-market offer system series. So you haven't checked that out, please go watch that because it's going to teach you. Have Privy automatically send you properties that meet your search criteria. Okay, so once you've cleared the market, obviously those initial, however many offers go out, now you're just going to be getting onesies and twosies of properties that meet that criteria in that market. So you can see here, I've got 2 properties in my SD County search on the 60 plus days on market. Okay, these ones, we'll take a look at this one, but yeah, $7,825,000 is a little out of our buyer's buy box. So, well, not going to look at that one. But what you can do is when you are getting these, you can just search in here through each one of these properties. And if it doesn't meet the criteria, it doesn't pass the soft comp or so, just move on to the next one. Because when you click in on the picture on one of these, and let's say, you've clicked into this property here, just like you saw me do. If you just click out of it, all that entire list of properties that was in your email inbox is going to be viewable right here. So you can just go through these, do a quick comp real quick. Okay, if it doesn't meet the criteria, great. Don't add it to anything. You don't need to add it to the fail or anything. It's not going to be there. You don't need to. But if it does, let's say we're going to have a property here that it makes sense. It's a little dated. We might be able to do something. Okay, you can just add it to the comp list. Okay, and put an offer on that. What I like to do is if I'm getting these updates and I only have a couple, then I'm going to send those offers out immediately because I don't want to wait. These have been listed for a day. If I can get to these before any of the other investors, are able to take a look at it, and it's going to be better for us because speed to lead is really important. That's basically it. Once you've gotten down through this email for all of the markets, then you're done. You've cleared those new properties and you can move on. Like I said, once those have been compiled into your comp folder, you can export that list. You need to get the realtor information, name, number, email. You can compile that into your Meteor spreadsheet. Okay, once you've done that, then all you're going to do is create a new campaign and send those out. Thank you so much for going through the training videos. And if you guys are enjoying these and want to model our process, want to get the templates that we're using to comp our deals, doing the quick comps, doing a full deal analysis with the full deal analyzer, or you want to track your offers from the emails you sent out to those deals being accepted, click on the link below in the description labeled REI Made Easy on Market Privy templates. You guys get those, you can use them. It's the stuff I use in the videos and it's really helpful. So if you guys want to start getting deals, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below.